Want to write like a pro in the legal world? Stick around to uncover 7 critical mistakes you must avoid to elevate your legal writing skills.
Hi, I'm Amelia Morgan, a former Big Law associate. Today, I'll help you avoid common pitfalls in legal writing, whether you're an attorney or a law student. Let's make your legal documents clear, concise, and professional.
Our focus? Elevating the quality of your legal writing. Ready? Let's dive in. Adverbs like unquestionably and clearly weaken your argument. Instead, present the facts directly. Confidence comes from substance, not fluff.
Avoid emotional language like outrageous or frivolous. Professional legal writing is cool, calm, and objective. Focus on the facts, not feelings. Ditch the jargon. Use plain English to make your argument accessible. Simplicity is key to modern legal writing. Avoid pronoun confusion. Instead of "he started yelling," specify who did what. Clarity keeps readers engaged. Trim the fat. Replace multi-word phrases with single words and use active voice. Concise writing packs a punch. Avoid cliches that scream generic. Instead, write with originality and precision. Keep paragraphs tight and ensure the last line aligns with the margin. Polished formatting shows you care about quality. Remember, great writing starts with content. Focus on revising and refining. With practice, you'll master these techniques. Keep improving. Liked this video? Hit subscribe and share it with your legal peers. Let's elevate legal writing together!